economics class. Today we will discuss a production possibility curve. This curve is also known as transformation curve. What is production possibility curve? It refers to different combination of two goods that can be produced from a given amount of resources and a given stock of technology. Production possibility curve shows only a combination of two goods, but with respect to two assumptions, that is, firstly, resources are given, that means resources are constant, and technology is also a given. The production possibility curve is based on certain assumptions. The first assumption is economy produced only two goods. Secondly, a specific resources, that is, resources are given, and after this resources are fully employed, that is, there is no wastage of resources. The state of technology is given or constant. Once you apply labor intensive technology, this will be continue. Once you apply capital intensive technique, it will be continue. Then PPC can be understood with the help of following schedule. The first one is combination. Then production of two goods. One is X good, another is Y good. X good and Y good. The third one is MOC. MOC is the ratio of loss of Y good for gain of X good. The producer wants to increase the production of X good. He has to reduce the production of Y good because resources are limited. As consumer is producing 0 unit of X good and 15 unit of Y good, he want to increase 1 unit of X good, he has to reduce 1 unit of Y good, that is 14. Then it is observed that as the production of X good is increased, the production of Y good is decreased. Producer has to sacrifice more and more unit of Y good for every X good. That is MOC, marginal opportunity cost. It is rising. That is 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. Due to rising MOC, PPC is concave in shape. There are two main features of PPC. Firstly, PPC always slopes downward from left to right. This is due to after utilization of resources, fully utilization of resources. If producer want to increase the production of one good, he has to reduce the production of another good because resources are limited, resources are scarce. The secondly, production possibility curve is concave to the point of origin. It is concaved in shape because rising MOC is the reason. Increase in marginal opportunity cost 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. That is cause of rising MOC and concave PPC. There are three production points which shows a different situation in PPC. Like at point B, it shows a full utilization of resources. There is no wastage of resources. If the production points lies inside of PPC, it shows inefficient utilization of resources, wastage of resources. There is ideal capacity. For example, the unemployment will, in case of unemployment, production point will lie inside of PPC, that is point A. The point C, this is show overutilization of resources beyond the point of production. PPC shows, the point C shows not reachable combination of two goods. This is unattainable combination. The shift in PPC, this is the next topic. PPC can be shift outward or inward. If there is improved technology, PPC will shift from PP to P1 dash. If there is backward technology, PPC will shift inside. If there is increased resources, PPC will shift rightward, outward. And if there is decrease in resources, a PPC will shift inside. The PPC may be increased or decreased. There may be PPC may be increased from X side only. If there is improved technology or increase in resources from X side, the PPC will shift from X side from AB to AC. If there is improved technology or resources only for the production of Y good, not for the X good, the PPC will shift from Y side, not from X side. Like old or initial PPC is AB. As there is improved resources for the production of Y good or improved technology for the production of Y good only, then PPC will shift from AB to AC, from Y side. This is all about shift in PPC. Then after this you have to solve this assignment from PPC. Thank you.